Welcome to PrimeTech Automotive YouTube channel, guys. So I have here BMW 3 Series 320i. We carried out a service. So I'm gonna perform a oil level measurement on this car. So just a quick video of how to carry out the oil level measurement. Start the engine. So once you start the engine, you need to warm it up the engine for like a couple of minutes before you check the level. So on here, you hit the home button and use this and scroll to car and press OK. And here scroll down to vehicle status and press OK. Here you can select by using this button, scroll to engine oil level and press OK, and then check the oil level, start the measurement. So it's carrying out the measurement now. It's 35%. The actual workshop manual says it takes about 5.3 liter. I assume it was dry engine, so we just measured how much it came out. It was only about 4 liters. I was assuming it's a bit of burn oil, and we ended up with filling about 4.8 liters, and when did the measurement, the level was okay. If you can see, the message comes up as engine oil level okay, but if I put 5.3, definitely it's going to be over. But recommended always, if you don't have a dipstick on the car, try get a container, collect old oil, match it, fill equal amount of oil, so and compare what's the workshop manual say. You can guess within 10,000 or 50,000 kilometers that oil can be a bit burned, so you can add maybe 200-300 liter more than what it came. So that's kind of a trick you can do. Yeah, this is what I want to show you, how to measure the engine oil level on this 3 Series BMW, which is 320i. Alright guys, thanks for watching.